All the country are waiting for this moment, so I need to bring this. Cucurella se come una paella. Cucurella se ve una estrella. Jala tiembla, que viene Cucurella. Jala tiembla, toma una galleta.
Marc Cucurella's rise from one of Chelsea's most criticized players to a reported Real Madrid signing is one of football's most remarkable comeback stories. This video explores how tactical evolution, resilience and intelligence transformed his career and helped him earn a return to Spanish football at the highest level. Why did Marc Cucurella struggle during his early Chelsea years? After arriving for a huge transfer fee, Cucurella joined a Chelsea side experiencing instability and constant managerial changes. He was often exposed defensively and became a frequent target for criticism from fans and media. What was the main tactical problem he faced? Chelsea's system often left him defending large spaces against quick attackers. His strengths in positioning and possession were overlooked, while his lack of elite recovery pace became more noticeable. Why did many people doubt his future at the top level? Inconsistent performances and growing pressure led many observers to believe he would never justify his transfer fee or become a key player for an elite club. What changed his career trajectory? His role evolved from a traditional attacking fullback into an inverted player who regularly moved into central midfield areas during possession. How did the inverted role improve his performances? The new position reduced his exposure in wide defensive situations and allowed him to influence matches through passing intelligence, ball circulation and tactical control. How did his positioning improve? He became far more disciplined in his movements, choosing better moments to advance while maintaining stronger defensive balance and control of central spaces. How did he become a stronger defender? Cucurella improved his anticipation, tackling and reading of the game. He began stopping attacks before they became dangerous rather than simply reacting to them. What made him effective against elite wingers? His improved awareness and positioning allowed him to force opponents into less threatening areas while reducing opportunities for direct isolation situations. Why did Real Madrid become interested in him? Madrid reportedly viewed him as a versatile hybrid player capable of contributing as a defender, midfielder and playmaker within modern tactical systems. How did major European matches help his reputation? Strong performances in high-pressure Champions League fixtures demonstrated his maturity, consistency and ability to compete against elite opposition. What role did the Spanish national team play in his development? Spain's possession-based style highlighted his technical quality, intelligence and tactical flexibility, making him an ideal fit for Spanish football. Why is his adaptability so valuable? Modern football rewards players who can perform multiple roles. Cucurella's ability to move seamlessly between defensive and midfield responsibilities gives coaches greater tactical freedom. What does the move mean for Chelsea and Real Madrid? Chelsea would receive a significant financial return, while Real Madrid would gain an experienced, versatile player entering the prime years of his career. What is the biggest lesson from his journey? His story proves that tactical fit, confidence and persistence can completely change a player's career even after periods of intense criticism. Why is his career considered a redemption story? He transformed from a player widely labeled a disappointment into one of Europe's most respected and tactically intelligent defenders. Can he now be considered one of football's smartest defenders? Many believe so because his success is built on positioning, anticipation, decision-making and tactical understanding rather than purely physical attributes. Finally, Marc Cucurella's journey shows how resilience, adaptability and football intelligence can overcome setbacks. His transformation from Chelsea's most questioned signing to a reported Real Madrid player stands as one of the most impressive comeback stories in modern football. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with other football fans, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more football stories, documentaries and analysis.